At Brown Howlett Hearing Aid Service, we understand that hearing's not merely a privilege, but a necessity. Our foundation is based upon personalized attention, specialized care, and long-lasting relationships. When you come to Brown Howlett, we'll be with you every step of the way, beginning with a free hearing test to determine what best fits your hearing and lifestyle needs. You'll be able to choose from many major brands, and we accept most insurance plans. As long as you're with us, we offer free adjusting, free tube replacement, and of course, loaners during factory repairs. We're here to improve your quality of life and promote healthy hearing. Being a full-service dispenser, we take the mystery out of purchasing a hearing aid by providing fundamental information on individual hearing loss, hearing aid options, and payment plans. We even offer 0% financing and a risk-free 30-day trial with no down payment required. Simply put, our relationship with our customers is measured in first names and years, not dollars and cents. Enjoy the sound of life. Contact us today at 614-224-9434 or visit our website at www.brown-howlett.com.